Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 AI gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's begin with the display because the Zephyrus G16 offers a 16-inch OLED WQXGA screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels and an ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh rate. This OLED panel means you get incredibly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and fantastic contrast, making every game, video, or creative project look stunning. Whether you're battling in fast-paced shooters or editing high-resolution photos, the screen provides crisp visuals with buttery smooth motion. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the 15th Gen Intel Core Ultra 9-285H processor, which clocks at a base speed of 2.9 GHz but can boost up to an impressive 5.4 GHz. With 16 cores and 16 threads, including 6 performance cores, it can handle intense multitasking, heavy gaming, and demanding applications with ease. Paired with this is the powerhouse NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card, equipped with 24 GB of GDDR7 RAM. This next-generation GPU delivers mind-blowing graphics performance, supporting ray tracing and AI-enhanced gaming features, allowing you to play the latest AAA titles at ultra settings and high frame rates without compromise. The dual graphics setup combines integrated and dedicated graphics for optimized performance and battery efficiency. When it comes to memory and storage, the Zephyrus G16 doesn't disappoint. It includes a whopping 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which ensures smooth performance even when running multiple demanding applications simultaneously. Storage is equally generous with a massive 4 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, providing ultra-fast boot times, rapid game loading, and ample space for all your files, games, and projects. Connectivity options are plentiful with the inclusion of Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 Type-C, HDMI, an SD card reader, and an audio combo jack. This makes it easy to connect external monitors, peripherals, and accessories. The laptop also supports 802.11b Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4 for the latest wireless standards, ensuring fast and reliable connections. ASUS has also included a handy DKZ USB Port Expander, a portable USB hub that supports data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second, allowing you to expand connectivity on the go, which is perfect for professionals and gamers who need multiple devices connected simultaneously. The laptop weighs just about 4.2 pounds, making it highly portable for a 16-inch powerhouse, ideal for gamers and content creators who need performance on the move. The 90-watt-hour battery provides decent battery life for a gaming laptop, especially when not gaming intensely. The keyboard features RGB backlighting, adding a customizable aesthetic touch and enhancing visibility in low-light environments. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, offering a professional and secure environment with all the latest features and updates. In summary, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 is a cutting-edge gaming laptop that combines a stunning 240Hz OLED display, the latest Intel and NVIDIA hardware, huge memory and storage capacity, and excellent connectivity in a sleek and portable design. It is built to deliver an immersive gaming experience and handle demanding creative workloads, making it a top choice for gamers, streamers, and creators looking for power and portability.